It hasn't moved in decades.
And it shows everywhere.
Fiberglass is separating.
That splice is barely holding. Suspension's collapsed under its own weight. Visibility would have been 0.
Nothing electrical survived.
Not a single safe system.
That's structural.
They rushed this build.
Go right down and get this thing.
Yeah.
Look at all this dust coming out.
Every bolt feels like it's fighting back.
They usually do at this age.
One wrong twist and it's gone.
That's Harrier jet metal, or what's left of it.
This was never meant to come apart cleanly. All of this gets replaced.
That's seen real heat.
Because we'll forget otherwise.
Easy, easy.
This is the point of no return.
Now the real work starts.
That weld never had a chance.
This is where it stops hiding.
That's structural loss.
That's at least 3 repairs. That's at least 3 repairs.
We'll have to cut all of that out.
No paint was saving this.
That's beyond patching. Oh!
This turns into fabrication now?
Now we know what we're really fixing.
Everything inside those lines is gone.
Stronger than it ever was.
Nothing straight on this car.
That'll hold.
Hold it right there.
Has to sit exactly like the film car.
Now we can build on it.
It finally has bones again.
Every millimeter counts.
Well, we'll coax it back into place.
Pressure rising, steady, slow, slow. See how it dips here? That's our first target. Fit has to be perfect before the first bead.
These gussets will prevent future fatigue. Perfect symmetry, just like the specs.
Solid as a tank.
Every bead counts for decades. It's finally ready to support the
This is beyond simple cleaning.
Original heads are toast. We'll need precision new gaskets everywhere. Every flow path is blocked, no compromise.
Organization is survival.
These will all be replaced.
This is where the heart will start beating again.
Now the heart can rise from decay.
Perfect alignment is critical, or the whole car shakes.
Every joint perfectly synchronized.
Feels alive again.
Torque specs are non-negotiable here. Power is ready to flow again.
Every joint moves like new.
It sits exactly where it should.
The Batmobile can finally deliver power again.
It's amazing it held together at all.
This has seen decades of neglect. These bushings will all be replaced.
Phase complete. Handling restored.
Everything moves freely now.
Frame now responds correctly to load.
So,
Alignment must be perfect or the pedal feels dead.
No air in the lines or it's useless.
Look at that travel, it's perfect.
it's finally standing like it should.
These will restore the stance perfectly.
Nothing goes unmarked. Every toggle counts. This will need a custom rebuild.
Accuracy is everything. Film accurate and functional.
Each switch lights again like it should.
Clean, precise, no shortcuts.
Every wire has a path now, nothing loose.
Every gadget responds, just like on camera. Use it on camera.
The Batmobile breathes again. Phase complete. Electronics fully revived.
These panels have taken decades of stress.
Sanding reveals the true shape beneath decades of neglect.
Internal reinforcement is key to long-term strength.
Every curve must align perfectly with the original profile.
These fins define the silhouette. They must be perfect.
Angle perfect, silhouette restored.
Seams invisible, strength fully restored.
Curing slowly, but perfectly strong.
Panels ready for final finish.
Phase complete, ready for primer.
Curing slowly, but perfectly strong.
Edges must disappear. Perfect contour.
Primer smooth and ready for block sanding. Every panel evenly coated, perfect for final finish.
Consistency is everything with primer.
Edges are ready for the deep matte black.
Everything is set for the matte black finish.
Even passes, no drips, perfect coverage.
Turbine accents glint subtly under light.
Smooth to the touch, matte remains deep.
Every curve perfectly unified.
Every curve perfectly unified.
Panels look deep and consistent.
The Batmobile stands, as it should, again.
Pinstripes align exactly as Furst designed.
It looks like it rolled right off the set.
Every curve perfectly unified.
Smooth to the touch, matte remains deep.
Edges perfect, no overspray or buildup.
Singes seated correctly, no stress on the glass.
Transmission smooth, no binding.
The turbine housing, restored to exacting detail, hints at its raw power.
Even the smallest details, from tires to brakes, shine after restoration.
The turbine, a visual masterpiece of form and function.
Aggression and elegance, frozen in form.